Hi everyone, welcome back. I have, which one is this? March 2022? No. Yes. No, April 2022 card kit. Excited, it's finally arrived. So I'm just going to make some noise. Also, I keep all these boxes. You can store paper in them, cardstock, anything like that in there, anything really. You could even label each box with a different colour and have scrap paper in there, or you could use it for, I don't know, maybe you put all your same colouring mediums together, like all your reds or greens or pinks. You could chuck them all in here, like they're markers, pencils, that kind of thing. Or I also use them for spray, like if I want to spray something, I'll use them for that. So it's really, really handy. And also because of the lid, it sort of helps protect your work surface. So just thought I'd share that. Right, so I'm just going to drag it all out. It literally arrived today. I haven't touched it, I haven't opened it, other than taking the labels off, obviously. I haven't done anything with it. So we're doing this together. My cat's in here, so that'll be fun. So let's see, and I forgot what some of the stuff is. Right, so you always get candy, which is so sweet. Pardon the pun. So that just goes in a little tub that I have somewhere. And let me just grab this out. This is just like an ideas sheet that you get with it, with some of the other designers that have worked for Simon, and the whatever's in here, in the kit. So you'll have to bear with me, as always. So let's have a look. So you get a coupon code thing. And then, let's see, we have, so let's start with cardstock. So we have a sheet of, one sheet of Nina Solar White, 8.5 by 11. That's always handy. I just put all my Nina together. This is £110 cardstock. So it's nice that you can use that for card bases if you need, if you want to. Whoops. And then we have this, which I've never tried this before. This is Yupo Paper, and I've never even picked it up or anything, so I've never felt it before, if that makes sense. And it's it's really, really smooth, but it's got like a weird texture to it. Like, it's not like cardstock smooth, but it's probably because it is a type of plastic, I believe. But you use this with your alcohol inks, so that is going to be, for me, new to me, but very cool to try and see what you can do with this, because I usually I've just got some old school, like super shiny, I think it's Judikins paper that was back in the day, like over 10 years ago, was used for things like alcohol ink. So this is going to be really interesting. This might be a game changer for me. So we'll see. It's kind of thinnish, but still kind of thick, if that makes any sense. I don't know what weight it is though, but there's two 4¼ by 5½ pieces that you get with that. Then we have, let's see, get a lot of paper. There is you get 18 sheets of American Crafts Damask Love, I don't know how you say it, Love 6x8 single-sided paper. So they're single-sided, so it's 18 sheets of this, and this is very cute. This is very spring summery. There's little cherries on that one, and then some like confetti. That's kind of mad. That's kind of like 70s vibe for me. That's cool. Sort of geometric kind of thing. And this has got like little glitter balls on it. You know, like the dancing glitter ball things. Whatever they're called. Like discos. Disco ball, that's it. This is cool because this has got like different sentiments and things. Sorry, I've got it kind of sideways. You could cut each of those strips down and have it as a sentiment strip across, or cut each sentiment out. Or you could have just a strip of sentiments going across a card you know, a card front, or on your scrapbook page. I can't even talk. Or you could use it obviously as backgrounds and things like that. And don't forget, with any pattern paper you can add like ink to the edges and things like that. That is cool. I like that. That's cute. Little daisies. This is not really raindrops, but you could kind of use it as raindrops sort of thing. It's just like a nice little dot-ish pattern. And little ice creams. Who doesn't love ice cream? My cat's in here as well. One of them. That's very cool. I like that. Again, it's got that rainbow vibe, hasn't it? You could even, with this one, you could even like, oh, that was my cat. You could even sort of trim along the edge of these and have them as a road, like a candy road. You could do like a, you know, like I do those inspired by videos. You could do an inspired by, I don't know, I'm trying to think of the movie. What's it called? Wreck-It Ralph, where he's got the Candy Land or Candy whatever, where he meets that little defective program. You could do that, and they could have little races with little jelly beans and stuff. And then you've got all these little friends. That's quite sweet actually, because you could use this for anything, like a friendship card or anything. Hearts, I love hearts. Hearts and stars, love it. These are, now these are little lightning bolts. I'm going to sneeze, sorry. I think. They remind me of Harry Potter. Sorry. You'll know, if you know, you know. This kind of reminds me of mosaic. That's also very pretty, and that's like colours in it. Again, another geometric kind of thing going on. It's really pretty, that. I love the daisies. Again, these are daisies like this, but you could always colour those flowers in if you wanted to do some colour therapy and just sit and colour them in, and that way you'll have, you know, you change them so they're not like little daisies. You can have any colour you like. And then some roller skates. Good old roller skates. That's pretty though. I like the colours. That's really pretty. Like not symmetrical, or, you know what I mean, circles, but really, really pretty colours. So that's the papers. Very nice. Just have to check something. And then we have, I'll just do this, saltwater taffy. This is one of the new distress colours. I think this is the newest one. I am a little behind. I think it's this one and the one before this that I still need to pick up, but I forgot this was in here, so this is a bonus. I won't need to get one of these. I'll just get the, you know, the normal distressing one, but oh, it's so pretty. It is a cool colour, so I will definitely show you how that works. And then we have some, you're not going out. And then we have, let me just let my cat out, sorry. You want out? Yeah. Go on then. Now go to the other side. Come on. Oh dear. Live, not live. It's life. And then we have some, I believe these are Simon's. Let's have a look. Simon Says Stamp. This is a new die set. It's the Balloon Trio dies, and there are actually, if I just take them out here, the glare and the noise in the background, so the lawnmower, my neighbour, of course. So you have 3 different size balloons, and I like that they're not all the same shape. Like this is more oval, this one's more round, if that makes sense. And then you also get these little pieces that will cut out of the balloons, so like the shine marks. So you could easily put those back in like an inlay and then have some glossy accents or something over the top, or you could put them in some glitter cardstock or something like that for something a bit fun. So that's really nice. They're all sort of pinned together still, but you just cut them with a pair of like little plier things, or plier is probably not the right word, but you know what I mean, like little snips, and that should take them apart. So that's really nice. And then we have the, so it's new for Simon Says Stamp as well. It's their Dimensional Stars embossing folder. I think, I never know if these are 3D. Oh yeah, dimension, well, must be a 3D type embossing folder, but this is the pattern you'll get from it. That is just the coolest thing. I love them. Told you, stars and hearts, love it. So that'll be really cool. And even on here it looks dimensional when this is like flat. It's just an example. That's very cool. So you get that. You also get, oh I'll do the stamp set last. You also get two. Now, I haven't used Stickles for a long time, so like in the old days it used to come in a little bottle, which I have seen you can still get them like this. So this is Stickles Glitter Gel. So I'm assuming this is different to the stuff you get in the little bottles, but there is so one is so this is Galaxy and this is Venus. And if let's see if I can do it this way. You see, I don't know where's the best place. That probably is the best place. You see the glitteriness in there. It's kind of like this has got little stars in it. It's got almost like flecks, so almost like tinsel flecks type thing. It's very cool. And I know there's glitter on the bottles, but I will play with this and then show you, but it's very, very pretty. And the colours on screen as opposed to real life, the colours are wow in real life. So yeah, very cool. And then of course the stamp set. You always get a 6x8 stamp set from Simon. And this is called Life is a Party, of course. And it's got all this party time stuff and celebration, and I like the XOs, and there's some solid images here so you can create backgrounds or banners. There's also a little speech bubble, so some of these will probably fit inside the speech bubble, as well as the hearts. Is that heart attached? I think there's possibly a separate heart there, but I'm not sure. Or that might be one stamp, I'm not sure yet. There's a little hey, celebrate today, party today, let's celebrate today. And then these glasses I think are hysterical. You can put them on any creature, whether it's a die or a, a cricket cut, or even on the balloons. That would be cool. little like a face with these little glasses on. That's really cute. And then you've got the strings and a couple of the balloons as well. But I think that's really, really cute. These strings, I reckon if you did them on the side and kind of joined them, possibly, you could then stamp these kind of like a little banner thing. Yeah, I think that would work really nicely as well. So that's that. Very cool. And this is, oh yeah, so this is Life is a Party. So that's it, guys. Hopefully this wasn't too painful to watch with the cat. As always, he's always in the picture somewhere along the line. And yeah, I'm very behind. Long story short, something happened. I'm not going to discuss it on here, but something happened and I kind of went offline for a bit. So I'm trying to catch up with myself. I still have the March kit. This is April's and now May has just come out. So I'm a bit behind with stuff, but I hope that what I bring you, hopefully in the next few weeks, and if you've got the kit, you know, hopefully more inspiration is always better. So stay tuned for that and anything else I put out there. So until next time, guys, bye for now.